Hey, I'm Fish. I'm not using the microphone but the controller. The mic is over here, and we'll get you some shots of today's afternoon vlog. I got the microphone as well as the controller, but the actual mic is over here and detachable. You may not hear the mic at all. I'm on tracking that's going to follow me. I can zoom in and track as well if I get too far away. So let's zoom in. Actually, I looked up, I hit the wrong one, I apologize. Let's zoom in. It's a little hard to do it with the hands, and it's a little slower with the controller because of the signal. Now that's pretty neat. Everybody's interest is in the remote control. That's their enjoyment. I have the microphone. Did anybody tell you that the microphone connects in under 5 seconds when the camera's in the off position? How sweet is that? This is the face tracking test. Let's continue the test with the microphone. The microphone, we could walk away, probably to the end of the pier. I don't need to do that. And for me, this works out just fine, being a number of feet away. Today's vlog is all about the EV value on a nice sunny bright day in the sun by the bay with some zooming and seeing what I could capture. I hope you enjoyed the videos that I'm showing you out of the Insta360 Luna Ultra. Please remember the original quality files are awesome. When put into an editor and converted over at my end, there is a degradation. And on that note, I'm Fish. Have a great day.